In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital planner in ClickUp. To get started, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want your planner to live. This is important because your planner will stay organized alongside the rest of your projects and tasks, making it easier to manage everything in one place. Once you're inside the correct workspace, open the space where you want to keep your planner. From there, click the plus icon to create a new list, and name that list Digital Planner. Using a dedicated list helps keep your planning system separate and easy to find whenever you need it. Now open the digital planner list and begin creating tasks for the things you want to plan. These can be everyday activities or responsibilities, like morning routine, work tasks, exercise, appointments, or personal tasks. The idea here is to build your planner using tasks as the individual items you want to schedule and track. After creating your tasks, open each one and add a start date and a due date. This step matters because ClickUp's calendar view displays tasks that have a start date, a due date, or both. Adding dates gives your planner structure and makes it visible on the calendar. Next, go to the top of your digital planner list and click Plus View. Choose Calendar, and ClickUp will create a calendar view for your planner. After that, click the calendar view name and rename it to Digital Planner so it matches the rest of your setup and is easy to recognize. Now set the calendar to Month View. In the upper left corner of the calendar, click the current time period and select Month. This gives you a full monthly overview, which is especially helpful for planning ahead. If needed, you can also switch between day, 4 days, week, and month views depending on how detailed you want your schedule to be. You can also create tasks directly from the calendar. Just hover over a day, click the plus icon, type the task name, and click Save. The task will be added right to that date, which makes planning much faster. To adjust your schedule, simply drag and drop tasks to different dates on the calendar. This is a quick way to rearrange daily or weekly plans without opening each task individually. To make your planner even more useful, open any task and click the priority icon. Then choose a priority level like urgent, high, normal, or low. You can also create recurring tasks by opening a task, clicking the due date, setting it to recurring, and choosing the schedule you want. From here, use either the digital planner list or the calendar view, whenever you want to manage your schedule. The list is great for organizing tasks, and the calendar helps you see exactly when everything is planned. Thanks for watching.